Location, location, location. A charming, remodeled, and updated home with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom in Wilton Manors awaits you. Bright and open floor plan, kitchen built for a culinary aficionado with stainless steel appliances, a wine cooler/fridge, a 2-tap Kegerator, quartz countertops, and a cinder island. The kitchen overlooks an accessible and beautiful fenced-in large backyard perfect for entertaining. Terrazzo flooring throughout the home. Bathroom showers have wall jets for those much-needed relaxing moments. Hurricane impact windows in most of the home. Home has pre-wired speakers throughout. Access to shed in the backyard for extra storage. Located in the heart of Wilton Manors within walking distance to restaurants and entertainment.